Hello and welcome. This video series will explain how to utilize the PACCAR Solutions portal. This is the second episode in the series and covers the left-hand navigation menu. When you log into PACCARsolutions.com, it will open to the dashboard. We covered how to navigate the dashboard in our previous episode, so let's move to the next item on the list. The Dealer Service Center section allows you to search for PACCAR dealers. You can quickly filter for a dealership by typing your search criteria into the Filter Results line. You can enter a dealership name, city, or address. Make your selection and additional details will display, like location, hours of operation, and contact information. You can select the dealer as a preferred dealer and/or toggle to allow the dealer access to OTA options. You can select as many preferred dealers as you need. Doing this provides the dealer with visibility to your profile, which improves communication and expedites repair plans. Moving to Customers, click the pencil icon to update your company name, address, and contact information. Be sure to scroll all the way to the bottom of this section and select Join the Peterbilt and Kenworth Dealer Network under Dealer Monitoring. This will provide all PACCAR dealers with visibility to your trucks to provide quick assistance when your truck needs repair. Just below Customers is Users. Here, you can add, edit, inactivate, and assign roles for users within your company profile. We will dive deeper on managing users in Episode 3. Below Users is Vehicles. This section provides a list of the vehicles assigned to your customer profile. Within the list, you'll see blue lettering that is underlined, which indicates a hyperlink. Click the VIN and it will display more detail related to that chassis. You can export the list by clicking the three-dot icon. If you export a list of VINs from the Vehicles page, the report will be available for download in the Data Export section. Pro tip: keep an eye out for the three-dot icon for export capabilities. There are several areas throughout the portal that can easily be exported and downloaded. Now, move down to Notifications. This allows you to search for fault code notifications and allows you to filter by VIN, unit number, recommendations, or status. The Fleet Report section will provide key information related to your fleet's fuel economy and idle time performance. You can utilize the filters to refine your reports. Usage reports will provide information on who within your organization is accessing the portal. It will also provide date and timestamps for each page visited and how long they stayed on the page. The last item on the list is Subscriptions. This is where you renew and manage your subscriptions to PACCAR Solutions. We will cover this section in more detail in a future episode. Thank you for watching the left-hand navigation menu episode. We created this video series to explain how to utilize the PACCAR Solutions portal. To continue learning more, watch Episode 3 in this series, Managing Users.